My friends, today it's time for a little microfiber maintenance. So the inspiration for this video came from a comment I received on my last video. The comment comes from a Mikkel Roman and it says, "I love your video tutorials." Mikkel, thanks a lot for that. I appreciate it. I'm glad that you like the videos. I'm happy to help. Keep on reading. It says, "Please tell me how to clean with confidence a microfiber cloth. Questions I have. Can you put it in the washer? Do you use detergent? Should you use the hand wash cycle or is steam better?" This has been a video I've been meaning to make for a while. I just haven't gotten around to it. But your comment has given me that little kick in the butt, so it's happening right now. So stay tuned and I'm going to show you how to clean your microfiber cloths with confidence. It's actually cloths, not claws, but you know what I mean. Maestro, cue that thing. So if you've been following along with my videos, then you know that I recommend microfiber cloths for a lot of things. These things are absolutely brilliant and amazing when it comes to everyday cleaning. But the question of the day is, how do we clean them once they're dirty? First things first, it's important that you know the enemies of microfiber. So let's start with the things that you should avoid. First enemy of microfiber is the word hot. Me? Not warm. Warm is okay. But anything hot, hot sun, hot heat, hot water, stay away from. The second enemy of microfiber is bleach or any hardcore chemical. Moving right along, the third enemy of microfiber would be fabric softener or any laundry detergent that contains perfumes or dyes. And number 4, lint or any fabric that is not microfiber. Everything sticks to microfiber, so you only want to wash microfiber cloths with other microfiber cloths. You start washing these with jeans, sheets, other cotton rags, you're going to find particles of those materials stuck to your cloth whenever you pull them out of the wash. And then you're going to have to take a pair of tweezers to them. Interesting experiment, if you're watching this video in the fall, or if it's summertime and you just kind of put off raking the leaves, go outside, get you some dried leaves, crumble them up, and then take your microfiber cloth, drop it in the leaves, and you'll know exactly what I'm talking about. So we've talked about what not to do and what to avoid. Now let's talk about how to actually clean these things. Step number 1, if your cloths are really greasy and really grimy, just really dirty, let's say you've been using them to wash the rims of a car and they're extremely oily, extremely greasy, you're going to need to pre-treat these cloths before you actually wash them. Grab you a plastic bin or a bucket, fill it up with warm water, not hot, warm water. Throw your cloths down into the bucket and then put you some liquid detergent into the water and let the cloths soak for 30 minutes. You could even massage the cloths a little bit with your hands if you like. For the detergent, just make sure there's no bleach, no fabric softener. You just want a gentle liquid laundry detergent that contains no dyes and no perfumes. I'll actually leave some links down in the video description box to some of these detergents so that you know what I'm talking about. If you've just been using the cloths for general dusting, general cleaning, and you don't have the grease and the grime in the cloths, then you can just skip step 1 and jump immediately to step 2. Step number 2, throw them in the washing machine. Once they're in the washing machine, you want a gentle, delicate cycle with warm water, not hot. Hot water destroys the cloth. Cold water doesn't really clean them that well. As far as the detergent, same thing. Liquid detergent, no harsh chemicals, no bleach, no fabric softener, no perfumes, no dyes. I hope you're taking notes. Are you taking notes? And to wrap this all up, step number 3, let your cloths dry. 80% of the time you can just hang these to dry. The other 20% of the time though, I highly recommend put them in the dryer because these cloths have an electrostatic charge to them, and when you put them in the dryer, it kind of recharges them, if you will. That's why they're so great for dusting, and why you don't want to use fabric softener is because you want them to have that static clean, because that's what these are for. You go around dusting and they're awesome. It's a microfiber miracle! Yes, Mr. Fuzzball, it is a microfiber miracle. Just make sure you tumble dry them on low heat or no heat. And also check the lint trap. Remember I told you lint is one of the enemies of microfiber. It's because everything sticks to microfiber, so if you have lint in the lint trap and it's full, it's not going to be doing its job. It's not going to be sucking lint out of the dryer during the drying process, which means you're going to pull your claws out and you're going to have lint stuck all over them. One final thing before I end the video, a few of you have asked me in the past, where can you find some microfiber cloths? A general rule of thumb is quality cloths will produce quality results, cheap cloths will produce cheap results. So I will leave a link down in the video description box to some good quality cloths for you, and basically they'll serve you well and they'll last you up to like 500 washes. So that's all I have for you. That's how to clean these bad boys. If you liked the video, you found it valuable, give it a big thumbs up. Really helps me out. If you're new, if this is your first Clean with Confidence video, welcome. Subscribe to the channel. I'd love to have you. And click the little bell notification right next to the subscribe button to make sure you're notified every time a new video is uploaded. In conclusion, follow the steps that I've outlined in this video and you will be well on your way to microfiber mastery.